The main thing wrong with the American healthcare system is the way it's set up. We've got too many aspects, too many hands, too many pieces of the pie. If you can imagine a wheel and each of the involved elements, doctors, hospitals, clinics, insurance companies, lawyers, pharmacies, all of those are different spokes of the wheel. If you go to the center of the wheel, the hub, you'll notice that it's not just money, it's profit. I once went on a birthday dinner with a group of people who worked for an insurance company, and I think this illustrates it amazingly well. We went to a restaurant. At the time I was a vegetarian. I'm not a vegetarian now, but I was then. We go to this restaurant, very expensive, no vegetarian choices really. They're all drinking. I don't drink. I ate nothing. I drank nothing except the water with a little bit of lemon. I drank nothing. And at the end of the evening, we split the check. I had to pay $150 for this birthday party as my part of this birthday party. And the person whose birthday it was, she actually said something to me because we were talking about health insurance and how expensive it was getting, even for me when I was in my 30s. And she said, well, we have to make money too. You see, this is what it is. The center of that wheel shouldn't be profit. I understand you need money to function. But profit is something else. And when you do that, right, you end up with conflicting things, conflicting motives. Like a lot of people will say the interesting thing about the medication is that it keeps you sick. I worked at a place called AIDS Project Los Angeles in the mid-90s. And we were sitting around, and of course, everyone at the table would have gladly, at that time, given up their job for a cure. Everyone. And someone said it. And my boss, who was a physician, who was not practicing physician, but he was working in the agency. I mean, he didn't have a private practice. He said, we talked about, the cure, the cure. He said, there will never be a cure. Mark my words, he said. They'll make AIDS manageable to keep people on drugs for the rest of their lives. I'd say that statement was quite prophetic. So here we are, the main cause, the biggest problem with the healthcare system as we know it is the center of it is profit. It's not your health. It's not your well-being. That's why it's your job to learn everything you can to lead the healthiest, happiest life that you can. I'm Joseph Onesta, and I'll see ya. Bye.